What seemed impossible just a few years ago may be happening right before the eyes of the automotive industry. While most manufacturers are still working to perfect traditional lithium-ion batteries, rumors indicate that Tesla is already operating a large-scale production line for a technology that experts believed would only reach the market after 2030. If this information is confirmed, we will be witnessing one of the biggest transformations in the history of battery manufacturing, capable of completely altering the future of electric vehicles and energy storage worldwide. What is most surprising is not just the existence of this new technology, but the speed with which it has gone from laboratories to industrial production. For many years, researchers considered aluminum-ion batteries an extremely promising alternative, but far from commercial reality. Several technical obstacles seem to prevent their large-scale manufacturing, requiring years of additional research before any company could even think about producing thousands of units per month. However, recent information suggests that Tesla has managed to drastically reduce this timeline. Instead of waiting almost a decade to transform this chemistry into a commercial product, the company has reportedly condensed a process that normally takes about 5 years into just over 18 months. If this has indeed happened, we are not talking about just a technological evolution, but a complete change in the way large industrial projects are developed. The scale of this potential operation is also noteworthy. The figures point to an initial production of close to 100,000 batteries per month, a volume that would already be sufficient to supply different applications simultaneously. But this would only be the beginning. The plan indicates an extremely rapid expansion, bringing this capacity to approximately 500,000 units per month in a relatively short period, demonstrating that the entire structure was prepared with continuous growth in mind. This type of expansion doesn't happen by chance. A factory can only increase its production at this rate when the entire supply chain has been planned in advance. This means raw material supply contracts, prepared logistics, installed equipment, automated processes, and trained teams to keep up with growth without compromising the quality of the final product. It is precisely this preparation that differentiates a simple industrial experiment from an operation designed to dominate an entire market. For many years, experts claimed that the biggest challenge wasn't creating a functioning aluminum-ion battery in a laboratory. The real problem was always manufacturing millions of identical cells while maintaining consistent stability, safety, and performance. Small variations during production could compromise the entire product's efficiency, making large-scale commercialization unfeasible. Solving this obstacle required much more than good researchers. It demanded a complete revolution in the manufacturing process. This is precisely where Tesla's potential innovations come in. Instead of adapting traditional equipment to a new chemistry, everything indicates that the company completely redesigned its production line. Instead of simply speeding up existing machines, the focus would have been on eliminating entire stages of the industrial process, reducing waste, simplifying operations, and allowing each component to be produced with much less human intervention. While developing this new technology, Tesla continued to pursue several other gigantic projects simultaneously. The company kept expanding factories, launching new vehicles, developing artificial intelligence, humanoid robots, charging infrastructure, and energy storage solutions. Even so, it reportedly found sufficient resources to accelerate one of the most complex projects in the battery sector, raising questions about the enormous difference in engineering capacity between Tesla and many traditional manufacturers. This potential breakthrough also puts pressure on competitors who have invested billions of dollars exclusively in lithium-ion batteries. Many automakers structured their long-term strategies believing that this technology would remain dominant for many years. If a cheaper, simpler, and equally efficient alternative is indeed ready for mass production, all of this planning may need to be revised in a much shorter time frame than expected. Much of this transformation is related to a new generation of gigantic casting systems used by the company. instead of manufacturing dozens of parts separately and then joining them together. The technology would allow for the production of large structures in a single step. This concept significantly reduces the number of individual components, decreases failure points, and simplifies the entire vehicle assembly, bringing benefits in terms of both cost and structural strength. Another impressive aspect involves the behavior of aluminum itself during the manufacturing process. Sensors would continuously monitor the temperature, viscosity, and flow of the liquid metal, making small adjustments in real time before any defects could even arise. Unlike traditional methods, which typically detect problems only after the part is finished, this system would be able to correct imperfections while production is still underway. One of the most intriguing changes would be the direct integration of the electrical wiring during the casting process itself. Instead of installing kilometers of cables later, part of the vehicle's electrical structure would become part of the body from its initial manufacturing. This would drastically reduce the amount of wiring used, eliminate several manual assembly steps, and further increase the efficiency of the production line, creating a simpler, lighter, and more reliable vehicle. All these innovations seem to point in the same direction, transforming the factory into a highly automated, flexible, and extremely fast organism. Instead of depending on hundreds of small, independent operations, each step communicates directly with the next, reducing bottlenecks and increasing overall productivity. If this strategy is truly working as the most recent reports suggest, it could represent a change as important as the invention of the modern assembly line itself. The reduction in manufacturing time is perhaps one of the most impressive indicators of this potential revolution. In conventional production lines, the complete construction of such a unit requires many hours of work distributed among different sectors of the factory. However, the new processes would be reducing this time to less than half, allowing many more units to be produced daily without increasing the size of the facility or requiring a significantly larger number of employees. This increase in speed does not mean that quality is being sacrificed. On the contrary, the goal is precisely to eliminate the small flaws that normally appear when several manual operations need to be performed in sequence. Automated systems would continuously check each screw, each connection, and each installed component, ensuring that all specifications are met before the product even advances to the next stage of the assembly line. One particularly interesting innovation relates to the battery cooling system. Traditionally, the installation of the thermal circuit happens after several other components have already been assembled. Now, everything indicates that this step is being integrated into the cell filling process itself, completely eliminating an entire workstation. This reduces time, equipment, needs, and also the possibilities of error during manufacturing. When all these small improvements are analyzed together, it becomes clear that the final gain is much greater than the simple sum of each individual innovation. Simplified casting reduces steps. Intelligent automation decreases errors. Integrated wiring eliminates manual labor. The new thermal system further reduces production time. Added together, these advances create a much more efficient manufacturing line than any traditional model currently in use. Another important point is that all this additional productivity allows for a significant increase in the quantity of batteries produced without the need to build numerous new factories. Instead of investing billions in the physical expansion of infrastructure, the company can extract much more capacity from its existing facilities, increasing operational efficiency and reducing the costs associated with large-scale production. But perhaps the most striking aspect is the potential final price of these new batteries. While many current systems continue to have high costs due to the complexity of production and the price of raw materials, aluminum-based technology promises to completely reverse this trend. If estimates are correct, the cost of each battery pack could fall to levels considered unthinkable just a few years ago. Much of this economy stems from the very nature of aluminum. Unlike lithium, whose extraction depends on expensive processes and a rather vulnerable global supply chain, aluminum is among the most abundant metals on the planet. Its availability significantly reduces the initial costs of the raw material and offers much greater stability for long-term contracts, protecting manufacturers against extreme fluctuations in international prices. In addition to being abundant, aluminum requires fewer industrial steps to achieve the purity level needed for battery manufacturing. This means lower energy consumption, less specialized equipment, and simpler production processes. In a sector where every small saving represents millions of dollars over the year, these differences can completely alter the competitiveness of a technology compared to existing alternatives. Another important detail involves the chemical composition of the new cells. Unlike traditional batteries, they could dispense with extremely expensive elements such as cobalt, nickel, and even some of the lithium currently used. Eliminating these materials further reduces manufacturing costs and decreases dependence on international supply chains that are frequently affected by geopolitical conflicts or production limitations. There is also a strategic advantage that goes beyond the immediate economics. The United States has a significant aluminum production and an enormous capacity for recycling this material. This allows a large portion of the raw material used to be obtained within the country itself, reducing the need for imports and strengthening industrial independence in a sector considered increasingly strategic for the global economy. While many manufacturers remain concerned about potential supply crises involving lithium, an aluminum-based supply chain offers greater predictability. The availability of the metal, coupled with modern recycling technologies, creates a much more stable environment for long-term planning. This means less risk for investors, lower cost volatility, and greater security for those who intend to produce millions of batteries every year. All these factors indicate that true innovation may not lie solely in the chemistry used by new batteries, but in the entire production philosophy built around them. By simplifying processes, reducing dependencies, and leveraging abundant materials, this approach has the potential to completely redefine the costs of the energy storage industry. If these results are indeed confirmed, the impact could be felt far beyond electric vehicles reaching homes, businesses, and even large electrical distribution systems. The possibility of producing much cheaper batteries is beginning to generate consequences that go far beyond Tesla's assembly lines. If the cost really does fall to the speculated levels, the entire consumer perception of energy storage could change. What was once considered an investment restricted to companies or high-income consumers could become an accessible piece of equipment for millions of families, accelerating a new stage of global electrification. This change could be especially important for those living in regions where power supply is frequently interrupted. In several American states and also in various countries around the world, storms, wildfires, heat waves, and overloaded power grids have caused increasingly common blackouts. An affordable home battery would cease to be a luxury and become a home security item, offering backup power whenever the main grid fails. The impact would also directly affect the used electric vehicle market. Currently, one of the biggest concerns for those thinking about buying a second-hand electric car is precisely the possibility of needing to replace the battery. In many cases, this repair can represent a significant portion of the vehicle's value. With much cheaper batteries, this concern practically disappears, increasing consumer confidence and strengthening the entire resale market. This transformation could completely alter how buyers evaluate an electric vehicle. Instead of viewing the battery as an extremely expensive and difficult to replace component, it would be seen as just another long-term maintenance item. This would increase the residual value of used cars, reduce depreciation, and further encourage people to switch from combustion engines to fully electric models. Another sector that could experience a true revolution is residential solar energy. For many years, the biggest obstacle to the popularization of photovoltaic systems has always been the cost of storing the electricity generated during the day. Solar panels have become progressively cheaper, but batteries have continued to represent a significant portion of the investment. A substantial drop in this cost would completely change this economic equation. With more affordable energy storage systems, thousands of homes could drastically reduce their reliance on the conventional power grid. This would not only lower energy bills but also increase the stability of the electrical system as a whole, better distributing consumption throughout the day and reducing the need to build new power plants to meet peak demand times. Small businesses would also benefit. Restaurants, markets, offices, medical clinics, and various other establishments could invest in their own energy storage systems without compromising large portions of their budget. In addition to savings on electricity bills, there would be greater protection against power outages, preventing losses caused by unexpected power grid failures. There is also an extremely important strategic factor for Tesla. If the same battery technology can be used simultaneously in automobiles, residential systems, and large commercial storage solutions, the entire industrial infrastructure can serve multiple markets at the same time. This distributes the fixed costs of production among different products, further reducing the final price of each unit manufactured. This integration creates an extremely efficient cycle. The greater the demand for batteries for homes, the lower the cost of batteries for vehicles tends to be. Similarly, the growth in car sales helps reduce the costs of stationary storage systems. Instead of 3 independent production chains, a single, highly integrated ecosystem is formed, where each segment strengthens the others. For traditional automakers, this scenario represents a huge challenge. Many have invested tens of billions of dollars in factories specializing exclusively in lithium-ion batteries. Adapting all this infrastructure to a new technology would require equally gigantic investments, as well as years of development, team training, and a complete reorganization of the supply chain. Simply changing the battery chemistry isn't enough. It would require modifying industrial equipment, developing new production processes, establishing contracts with different suppliers, creating new safety certifications, and revalidating each stage of manufacturing. This is an extremely complex transformation that few companies can undertake quickly without compromising their financial stability. This is precisely why many analysts believe that the true competitive advantage lies not only in the battery itself, but in the speed with which Tesla can transform research into industrial production. If the company is truly years ahead of its competitors in this segment, it could consolidate a position that is extremely difficult for other manufacturers to achieve, influencing not only the electric vehicle market but the entire global energy storage industry. Beyond automobiles, the impact could be seen in smart homes, businesses, hospitals, schools, and even entire cities. More efficient energy storage systems will allow for much greater use of renewable sources,